district will be considered as a universally acceptable food irrespective of the religion, area, climate, all are preferred milk. So most of the people in Annoy district are maintaining dairy cattle. In some of the in some parts of the district, people are maintaining sheep rearing, goat rearing, and poultry also. Coming to the topic, first one is disease preventive measures. If livestock is healthy, then only we can expect production in a good position. As per the directions of the Director of Agriculture, AB state government, we are following the health calendar strictly and conducting vaccinations well in advance. By following this procedure, this incidence is reduced a lot. If any disease happens in the month of March, in January itself we are starting the vaccination program. At farmers' doorstep, we are conducting the vaccinations, including bacterial and viral vaccines also. By covering sheep diseases, goat diseases, cattle diseases, and poultry diseases also, including pickle diseases also. So, as per the calendar, all 4 months in a year we are conducting vaccinations, and our staff is wandering in villages and conducting vaccinations. Nearly 98 to 10% vaccinations we are conducting every month. This month also, at present, we are conducting foot-and-mouth disease vaccinations, which is a viral disease. So far, 90% animals are covered. By the end of this month, we are going to achieve 99%. That is because disease preventive measures is over. Then sheep. Nearly in the district, 80 lakh sheep population is there. By maintaining 50 sheep, one family members comfortably living their life. By allowing their children for studies purpose, upon marriage, getting job, construction of the house, all these things. By selling the lambs. At present, mutton cost is 800 to 1000 rupees per kg. That's repeated. So sheep people also living comfortable life. We are conducting awareness camps to reduce the lamb mortality and also taking disease preventive measures and also latest sheep management aspect also we are concentrating and creating awareness to the shoppers by publishing articles in local newspaper and also some of the shoppers are most of the shoppers are illiterates. By keeping in view of illiterates, we are giving radio talks in all India program party Panta. By hearing sessions of expert doctors, shoppers are getting up-to-date information pertaining to sheep management. Some of the hilly area of the district, farmers are preferring goat rearing. Towards the breeding cost in dairy cattle, 50%, one-third amount what they are getting through sale of milk, they are spending towards the concentrated feed, mineral mixture, medicines, all these things. Whereas in sheep and goat, feeding cost is almost zero. The shepherds are allowing their sheep to the nearby forest or hilly region. Early morning they are around 11 o'clock they are taking the flock to the nearby forest. Evening they are coming. Towards the feeding cost is almost zero. So sheep breeding they are getting more profit. Some of the farmers who are residing hilly area are preferring goat because of the feeding percentage is more. Preference also they are getting some keeping. At the same time poultry. In the district, nearly 50 lakh broiler population. Most of the unemployed youth, rural women also preferring broilers. If they invest 2 lakh rupees from 0 day, within 45 days they are selling 40 birds for meat purpose and they are getting profit at the rate of 1 lakh per batch. Within a short period, of course, they are able to settle the amount and they are getting profit. Within a 2 month period, so most of the unemployed youth preferring broilers in this area. Very few people are maintaining layers also. Some villages, rural villages, farmers are maintaining backyard poultry. At the same time, desi birds also. Well in advance, we are protecting the birds by conducting vaccinations against viral diseases. Every Thursday evening, government veterinary institution, government doctors and his team are conducting vaccinations evening 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock. So disease incidence also very less in country parts. At the same time, farmers also themselves purchasing vaccine and using the vaccine simply by adding a drop of vaccine in eyes of the bird. So no need to avail a skilled person for services also for this. This is what is possible. To daily already I told some of the ongoing schemes are there for promoting all these people. That ongoing schemes I am going to try them. If we ask a newly married couple, wife and husband, immediately after marriage, they are going to visit the temple. What you are praying, both are saying that they are expecting male child. We pray God for getting male child. Whereas in daily industry, farmers are asking female cows. Female cows. Because female cows will become farmers who will child. By concentrating on this topic, department introduced six sorted seven. I will discuss in detail later. First, as a part of breed upgradation program, in the place of non-descriptive animals which are giving milk 1 liter during half liter, for enhancing the milk production, we are introducing artificial insemination program. Superior quality bull semen collected, and we are inseminating into the cows when they are exhibiting Easter signs. The cost of the semen stock per dose is nearly 200 rupees. We are charging only 40 rupees per dose. In all veterinary institutions, nearly 400 institutions in the district are providing this artificial insemination facility. By paying 40 rupees, they are getting this insemination injection. Immediately, if animal conceived, in third month, our doctor conducting pregnancy diagnosis. If animal is conceived, they are taking all precautions, vaccinations, often consulted feed, meter, all these things. And after 9th month, our people are recording calf birth details also, including sex of the calf. Second one is sex sorted semen. This is sex sorted semen. Earlier, we are charging nearly actual cost is 1350 rupees. 850 subsidy, 500 rupees only we are charging. Later, this is also much burden to the farmer. We brought the same to the notice of the government of India and the state government. We reduced the dose cost to 150 rupees only. Why farmers are preferring this 600 semen is by using 600 semen, farmer can expect 90% female crops. So if farmer wants female crop, he is asking female crop injection in the hospital by paying 150 rupees. We are getting this one. And we are observing nearly 94% of the female crops we got in this area. That is another one. Next, second item we are providing to the farmers is under National Animal Disease Control Program. This is also Government of India sponsored program. We are conducting vaccinations free of cost. Our animal husbandry shop, first time in the district, first time of all the departmental staff, our staff was reaching the villages morning 6 a.m. instead. 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. they are conducting vaccinations by conducting vaccination farmers doorstep. After 9 o'clock, animals are farmer allowing to the grazing purpose and they are reaching the veterinary institution. Then they are attending to the regular OP cases and cases. So the first time out of all departments, animal husbandry people only enter into the field. But other ones it's so hard to say. After completing the animal, they are reaching and they are into the hospital room. Next, the third one is input supply. For promoting the milk production, one has to concentrate much on animal nutrition aspect. If we offer nutritiously rich fodder, animal health also will be good. Deficiency disease also will be controlled. Animal will give good quality milk. For promoting the body status, department will distribute farmer seed on 75% of the cost. This includes African colony. 5 kg seed we are distributing after farmers contribution is only 85 rupees per kg. 20 kg is the seed rate per acre. 60th day farmer is getting first cutting at the rate of 25 tons of water per acre they are getting farmer. After mainly nutrient rich water getting. Second one is drought resistant multi-cut water seed we are promoting. This one also on 7% we are promoting. At 45 days interval per acre 5 tons of water they are getting. Immediately after cutting, second cutting, third cutting, fourth cutting, fifth cutting, sixth cuttings farmers are getting. Some of the farmers after cutting, drying it in sun rays and preserving it in the form of heat for using same in the summer months. Meanwhile, they are available their plant with irrigating land. Everywhere greenery is there because of the recent floods or recent and rainy season also started. That is water seed. Another one is concentrated feed. Almost entire South India, environmental department from AP only giving concentrated on subsidy rate to the farmers. Even for purchasing the rice polish, per kg farmers getting 30 to 40 rupees. In this situation, department supplying per kg 5 rupees 55 paisa. So far, 419 metric tons of concentrated feed supplied in AP. Lot of demand is there. Based on the farmers' request and public representatives' request, we again submitted our intent. We are getting another 1,500 tons of concentrated feed by the end of this financial year after getting approval from the government. This is second one. Next one is iron fodder production. We are distributing fodder seed. It's giving 1 month or 6 cuttings. Another variety is perennial fodder cultivation. One farmer sold the perennial fodder cultivation fodder splits. 5 years they are going to get the farm. This is the perennial fodder production. 5 years, every year they are not such for fodder splits also. For promoting this activity, with convergence of Mahatma Gandhi Jatiya Grameen Upadhi Hami, MDM tie-up, 10% subsidy we are giving. Nearly every farmer, per farmer we are allowing 10 cents to 50 cents only we are allowing. By cultivating this perennial fodder cultivation for growing, making the buds and sowing the fodder slips of the weed removal, cutting, all these things, material component MDN people are giving. So far target is 10,000 acres per district in our state. Out of 10,000, nearly 4,000 acres already going completed at Anamaya district first in the AP state. That is forward to the bigger farmer. Last variety is for some of the animals are showing repeat breeder. They are not conceiving even after taking 3 to 5 inseminations. Such a type of animals also, by conducting weekly camps, by taking experts advantage, we are bringing that infected animal also into peptide contact by conducting weekly camps. Per mandal, 1 camp is our target. Nearly 50 mandals we completed, and even rest of the animals also we are going to cover by the end of the financial year. In this per camp, along with the government medicines, APLDA people provided 20,000 rupees medicines. One post-graduate or gynecologist is coming, he is examining the animal. Depending upon his suggestion, our local doctor will do the follow-up work. And this problematic case also, by we are by based on our efforts, these animals also we conceive it, and farmer is getting half crop easily and getting additional income to take care of the weed. All these activities we are following. These schemes are at present we are implementing. Okay.
Marks
And one long.